All right, the life of a retired guy. It's lunchtime and I'm already just soaked in sweat, so check this out. Woo! All right. Well, hello and welcome to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. I'm Jerry, and decided to go ahead and get some more corn in this feeder. It's been out for a couple of days, and I changed out one of my cameras. Now, one of the things that I had wanted to do after last deer season, because it was so bad, was give a post-mortem on the season. If you watched any of the videos, you saw me staring at a lot of fields and different things like that. Well, after months of thinking about it, I'm pretty much feel like I've come up with the answer. There was too many acorns. Now if you notice in one of the earlier videos, you know, I had some acorns in my hand and was talking about how my dad said it was deer candy. Well, what he meant was, if you can find that tree that's putting out, deer will be there, because white oak acorns are their deer candy. Well, every tree put out. I mean, a deer all he had to do was lay down somewhere and lift his head, and he could eat all the acorns he wanted. He might have to move another couple of feet. But therefore, you know, they weren't moving much during the day. They would only move at night. I probably got lucky when I got that deer at the end of the season with 2.5 days left. Now, even though right now it's not really time for acorns to be falling, I've already found, hopefully you can see these, all of these acorns. They're falling out of the trees. That one's got a spider web on it. We've got a lot of spider webs. But they're just everywhere. The only reason they've fallen right now is because we've had a lot of storms here lately. So anyway, I'm glad to see some acorns, but I really hope that we don't have just tons and tons of them, you know. Last year I just didn't react fast enough. I just kept my same pattern that I usually hunt. You know, I hunt the woods in the morning, and I'm up above one of my feeders, and the whole ridge was just covered up with acorns too. And then I would hunt the fields in the evening. That's just sort of our pattern, you know, something that we've done all the time. But what I should have done was abandon hunting the fields and put all of my time and effort in the woods. Now, we had some hunting pressure. Some people came down and basically it was a firing range. But another thing that I should have done is I should have went deeper. I should have went into the woods deeper to where I finally killed that deer. So I'll be prepared to move on things like that this year, where I wasn't last year. Well, all right, well, I've got the feeder. I got 3 bags of corn in it. Got another camera set up, tested the battery, and it's working. And I'm going to go back up to the house now because I got another project. So stick around, you'll watch that, and at the end of this, I'll show you what we've got on some of these trail cams. Well, all right, now I'm down in the basement, and yeah, just forgive this mess that I've got down here. But my air conditioners, both upstairs and downstairs, needed work on them. My normal AC guy, he's my age, so he's had some health issues. He's been out of service, so got somebody else to come over and spent $950. But at least I'm cooling now. One thing I did on the unit here in the basement, and I'll show you in just a second, it was leaking, and the guy who came out said I was missing a P-trap on this thing, and I'll show it to you right here. Okay, since this is in the basement, I have to use, for the drainage that comes out of the unit, I have to use this pump, and it pumps it up and outside. And right here, I should have a P-trap, and I don't think I ever have. But I think while I'm doing this, I'm going to install that, but I'm also going to take this pump apart and clean it, because they do get dirty. So let's get at it. All right, well, I actually took that thing off, and it's clean. So all I did was dump the water out of it. So good, that'll save me a step. So I'm just going to go ahead and start prepping this. Make sure I don't spill any of this glue down here. All right. Just put a little on there. Get a little on the inside of this. All right, the first part is done. Next is this. Just going to put that in here. But we need to glue it first. This is the P-trap. Water, once your air conditioner, while it's running, it's pushing the water out. It fills up this little reservoir down here that has a pump on it, and it pumps it outside. But when it quits running, it will pull the water sort of back in. You want to have this right here so some of that water doesn't go back in, or that's what I think. All right. All right, I think that's got it. Now we'll go hook it up over here. All right, I'm gonna put it on this end first. Let me move this towel. All right. Now I'm just going to put this inside there. We'll get a little of this blue stuff on there. We'll get this stuck in there. Let me pull the motor over just a little bit. All right, so it'll drain out of here. Come here. Now I got a P-trap, and it should go there and get out. I hope it doesn't get just stuck in here. You know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, I'm gonna, till I test this thing out, I'm gonna leave them towels down there, and we'll just see what happens. Worst case scenario, I have to just take that thing out. Well, all right. I will let you know if you don't hear back from me, this works. But if you do hear back from me, then it didn't work. But anyway, that's going to end it. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a sort of a short one today. But you know, if you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe to their channel, and take a look at some of these deer that's back here in my backyard. Take care.